folks, and it's a really good one. It's $35. It's the lowest price range for a 500 grams. That's a heck of a way to start a show or end it.
Which one was this one?
Cosmic Collision. Next, we have Gold Rush. This is Gold Rush. These are 500 gram cakes, folks. You can see the difference in how high in the color that goes with them.
It goes really high.
This is Gold Rush. Next is Sky Rumble. Is that correct, Kev? And we doubled them up here on the sheet. Looks like Gold Rush and Sky Rumble. The Sky Rumble is a separate item. This is one of my favorites here. This is a $40 cake. It's great for a finale. It's one of my favorites. That's a great, great economical cake. And you can see how high they go. Next is Just Shoot Me. Just Shoot Me, another 500 gram cake. Kevin, where did you go? What happened? That is Just Shoot Me. Just Shoot Me. That's awesome. The next one we kind of got up, Tony's going to take care of. It's called Mind Games. It's a 5-shot, 5-shoot. It shoots 5 at a time. So you can see, it does 3 rounds of it. This is another good finale. Go. These are good finale or in between your show. Definitely don't drive through, sir. It is not a drive-through. Okay, next is my favorite. It's actually Chain Reaction. This is a heck of a good finale here for us. Kids, watch it. This is pretty much one of the top ones for the shoot. Called the Tommy Gun Effect. This is one way to end your show on 4th of July. Now this is coming up is quads actually. These are reloads. They're not on the sheet. We just kind of pulled them out last minute since we had friends and family here. These are... This is your finale, folks, right here. Grand opening, 4-finger fireworks. These are reloads. These are just the reloadables, as you can see. That's the first one was the quads. So the quads, these are ones you just drop in individually. If you have 2 or 3 tubes, you can do them all at once like we did. Quads are first. Alrighty, what's next? There we go. Lighter mishaps. You see the kids? They're having a great time too. Say hi to the camera, guys. Alright, what? Here we go. Here's some more reloadables for you guys. Are these the quads? That was Star Spangled Bangers and Elite 8. You like it, huh? Still like it? Here's some more, guys. These are reloads. Awesome. Is that it, Kev? Good job. There we go, guys. That was a nice little small display. for Four Finger Fireworks grand opening. We're open every day. Come on down.